How to create business resume on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create professional business resume easy and fast in less than 1 minute on Microsoft Word. So first thing, go to Microsoft Word. This is the home page of the Word, as you can see. Now all what you have to do to create your resume is by going here on the business option. Click on business, and now you will find many options here. Go in the top and click resume, search for resume, and as you can see here you will find a lot of types of the resume as you want, and choose the one that you want and you can edit it easily. For example, I'm gonna choose one of them to show you how to edit. For example, I'm gonna choose I'm gonna choose this one. Let's choose this one right here. Click on create. Now you can change the name, as you can see, Jacob Mark. It's very easy to edit, so don't worry. You can change the photo, you can change everything you want from here. You can change as you can see here the skills and everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.